Oh my goodness. Um, there are times I feel lost and I struggle to find my way in life. I don't know if you're in that place as well, because I feel like lately or for a while I have been lost and struggling to find my way to bounce back. So much has happened this year, but I still have my shoulders up high. I am still optimistic. And I'm still looking to level up my skills so I can succeed, because at the end of the day, we want to succeed, right? We want to have something better that is happening in our lives. I know I'm not alone. I know that for sure. And many people now are feeling the same way. But don't give up. Just like I keep telling myself, don't give up, Sally. You have to keep going. You may struggle right now, but I'm sure you'll find your way back up again. First, it's important to remember that you're not alone. Many people now are struggling with the same things as you and I. So don't be afraid to reach out for help, but know the right people that are willing to help you. Not everyone that says they want to help you are really will be there. No. Secondly, it's important to set your goals. This is something I know very well I can do better, even if I have been doing it, but I can do better. So the small things that I'm starting to do. My goal this year was to be a content creator and kind of like make it better than I have had before. But down the road, I have had so many bumps. There are times I feel inspired to do content. There are times I just don't feel it at all. There are times I'm like, I don't even want to do it. Forget it. But I now keep going back to my goals because I want to achieve something in life. Thirdly, be patient. If it's something I keep being taught over and over again in life, is being patient. It takes time to develop new skills. It takes time to edit these videos. It takes time to plan what to do. It takes time to just put it out there. But as I am achieving these goals, I'm understanding that just be you, Sally. Be the natural person. So when you see me here, I'm just me. I'm just me saying, oh, let me take the camera, let me start recording, because I have put it as my goal. It's something I desire to do. But the energy, the motivation, sometimes it slips away. Sometimes it drops on the ground and I'm not able to pick it up. But there is something that just keeps me going. The goal, and not to be discouraged, because I am a person that wants to see results. And if I don't see that result, I will have to keep working hard. And eventually, I know I will reach my goals. And that's for you too. And also to stay persistent. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep trying new things. And don't be afraid to fail, because that's where we give up a whole lot. I included. I am afraid to fail, but I have to keep reminding myself that failure is something that makes you to correct a step so you can do better for the next step. The only way to fail is to give up, and I don't want you to give up. I am also not wanting to give up. I want to become a better person. I want to become a better mother. I want to become a better child. I want to become a better YouTuber. I want to become, because I'm taking this as my job. Y'all, I have applied for jobs the whole year. I think I have been turned down like 50 plus more jobs. It's discouraging, but I'm still here. I am like, God, there should be a way out from this. This is something I have decided to do, content creation, for like 7 years, and I have to do it better than I have done it before. He has said in Psalms 23 that I have all that I need. Why am I not using what I need? Why are you not using what you already have been given? It is time to believe in yourself, just like I am believing myself right now. And I pray that both of us can have the confidence in our abilities and never give up on our dreams that we need to take us to the next step. The dreams that can make a big difference for us. Do you agree? Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and also share.
First of all, it's early in the morning here. It's kind of like 8, almost 9, I think. Almost 9 right now. And 9 in the morning. And I'm cooking dinner. Yes, I'm cooking dinner right now. And that's what I do on the days that I'm cooking. I always cook Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday. Those are the days I cook. And then the other days were kind of like a little bit of leftover here, and that's it, pretty much. I like to cook from scratch. I like food that is fresh, so that's what I'm cooking, and I can have, I can have enough for, the other days that I'm not cooking. It's pretty much leftover days. And I also have a few packaging that I need to do for customers. I'm going to show you later on. Oh, guys, I have now a few things that I need to release to you guys so you can support my small business. And I need to finish uploading those on my website. It is still under construction, but I will give you a snippet of, just a sneak peek of what goodies we're gonna have. This kind of book, it has a message: you never fail until you stop trying. That is true. It's a small kind of like a pocketbook notepad that you can keep in your bag or your workplace. There is some notepads there, reminders of what you can do, and it's a small something. I have a lot of goodies. Let me show you just a few, not every single thing. Oh my gosh, I should have put my camera down because, y'all, I have two hands. Hold on 1 second. I'm right here. So these ones are keychains. I love this. I love this. You see, this one has different messages. It's a cute keychain. I may just have to open one of them so that you guys can see. That's how it look. It has a little cross right there. Do you see that? And it has a keychain and there is a message. It's metal, it's not plastic. Such a beautiful item for you to have. And the message for this one: the Lord will be with you whenever you go. Joshua 1:9. That is a great reminder to have, to remind you that whenever you go, you get in the car, the Lord is there with you. And it's different messages. This one says that may the God of hope, um, may the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace. Yay! So I'm going to be uploading this on my website, and I will totally appreciate of you guys supporting my small business. And yes, the messages that will help every one of us. I'm not going to say I'll be done with it today, but I will try the best to totally finish that today. But that's what it is. so far. And then later on, I am gonna be picking up my kids from school because I think that's the lifestyle until school closes. It just fascinates me of how days are running. You people, it's less than 100 days to Christmas. And I was thinking that by this time, by like the end of October, I will have shopped for Christmas because I wanted to do it so early this year. Um, and I haven't even started. I haven't even like have a clue of what I would need because I do not recycle Christmas lights. I do not recycle Christmas trees. I always like to have something new every Christmas time. But this time, I don't think I want a Christmas tree. The deeper I'm getting into the Word of God, I'm realizing these things are idols. The things that they're idols, and I don't want to have a worship of an idol of a Christmas tree. And you guys might, I don't know, I don't want to speak so much in depth of it because I'm still yet understanding the word and the revelation that is still coming to me. But I feel like this year, going forward, I do not need a Christmas tree at all. We can have present and stuff, but I feel like, yeah, I will just leave it right there. But you guys are welcome to put any suggestion that you have, and I'm ready to listen. I mean, I want to hear from you. I bought my daughter this dress because they have what is it? A costume day this week. Is Friday, and I hand washed it yesterday. It looks so pretty. Oh my goodness, the material for it looked like a silk, but it's a different kind of silk. It's like silk cotton, but it's such a beautiful material, and it's very simple, very simple, nothing much of like craziness. I put a picture here so that you guys can see. I got this one from Timu. So because I hand washed it yesterday and I put it in the garage, I mean in the laundry room, I don't have a line to put it to, I mean to hang the clothes. So it has dried up, but it's kind of like feeling it's a little wet. So I'm having it to, I put it here so that the sunshine from outside, because it feels so beautiful right here. It can warm it up and, yeah, it can just warm it up. I feel like it's dry, but yeah. That's how it's feeling outside. Oh my gosh, that sun. Ooh, I would sit here like this place right now and just fall asleep. Apparently, I have so much in the kitchen that is happening, and I have to keep an eye on it.
Everything that needed to be cooked today, it is done. I am done. I feel like, I don't know why today I feel like I overdid myself, but anywho, we are done cooking. It's 1 right now. I have like an hour and 30 minutes to, finish what I need to finish and then go to pick the kids from school. Let me show you what I cooked. I cooked yummy food. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I cooked the cabbage. As you can see, they look yummy. And they taste so good. And then I did the black beans that I was boiling earlier, and I mixed them with rice. Actually, I have a different kind of rice that I eat. Let me show you actually. So this is the kind of rice I eat. It's called bulgur, and it is so yummy. I prefer this better than even basmati or whatever other kind of fries. This is my favorite one. Right here, I have the chicken. Look, oh my goodness. Um, it's not that much. It's a little because I might be the one eating. I don't know, and I don't want to get stuck with this kind of meat at all, but it looks yummy and it is so good. And we're going to eat it, all this food, we're going to eat them tonight with some tacos. So this one, later on, I'm just gonna put them in a microwave and warm them because we don't want crunchy ones. We don't want the hard tacos. We just want the soft tacos. And it's any combination, whatever they want to eat. I mean, we have variety of food that we can eat. And also the cake. We have the pumpkin cake. I mean, it's supposed to have been muffin, but I was like, I don't want to do muffin because they're going to take a lot of space in me when I put it in the oven. I mean, when I put it in the refrigerator. So that works good. And here I have the leftover of the beans, the black beans that I was boiling. So I just want to put them here so they can cool off before I put them in the freezer for the next cook. But I do have some black beans now that I can use for the next cook. Lastly, I have my water here that I love to drink. This is mint. I'm gonna boil some right now. Yes, because I need to drink some right now. I drink a whole lot of this every single day. Look what I have on the floor. My floor is a mess. Oh my goodness. So what I need to assemble is a TV stand, just kind of like a simple TV stand, but I like something that are simple but also looking unique. So this is what it's gonna be, and that's what I'm going to be assembling in like 1 hour and 30 minutes. Hopefully I can get to it, but we'll see.